Motorway, noise equipment.
Xerox Mike cleared roll 25, it'll be a left turn out south of motorway, noise abatement.
Thank you. 60, 70.
Could you pop us a kilo and final?
Clear to long on the west side of the ready out, kilo.
One zero.
Aircraft.
Okay. Ready flap coming out.
Thank you.
Very nice. You're very intermittent there, Al.
I know, I don't know what it is.
It means that we don't hear you every word.
Thanks, Phil.
Yeah, mate.
Off and off again.
Sorry, Al.
I was trying to help. Sure, you have your camera on, though.
I'm just going to check it now. Sorry. Yes, I do, Al. Alright, there's 60. Oh, I forgot this 10 flat. Alright. We'll go over the trees and you can pop in the 10 now. 400, 300 feet. 10 coming in. Oh, is that Weston or is that the toll bridge?
M4 toll, yeah. Now check how well. Now just check how well trimmed he is. Watch the control. Not bad.
Oh,
Not bad.
that's running good, like. We're in with a good chance now.
1-1, clear to land.
Little end 0765 Mike 2.
With Fox Mike ahead.
Hey, farm.
Would you like to continue following the traffic or continue further ahead?
Roger, we'll follow the traffic.
Man, the spectrum number 2 now, see your Mike.
Okay, turn it there.
Queen Delta Zulu Kilo.
Fox Mike turning finals 10. 07.
You can now Fox Mike, runway 07, the wind is 100, clear to land.
Fox Mike clear to land.
Weston Tower, good afternoon. Echo India Bravo Mike November.
How many knots?
Next year Mike final 07.
Continue, see your Mike.
023 Golf Extreme.
Fox Mike, next left.
Next left, Fox Mike.
Almost across the road, man.
Tower, good afternoon. Golf Lima Alpha
Yes, it's cleared,
Victor
yeah.
Echo beside the pump.
Right, you get it. He's soft now.
Yeah, I see it. Clear
Can you go
us.
to your Mike, runway 07, the wind is 09, so degree 09 knots, clear to land.
Clear to land 07, next year Mike.
3 miles Victor Echo, Western Tower.
Yeah,
Ready to check
don't chop the power
1345,
flight on that,
1345.
Right.
So that's loud and clear. Golf Victor Echo at the pumps with Kilo 1023. 1 POP. Detail is 35 minutes to the west. Quest start.
Lovely, Alpha Victor Echo, status approved. Unit check us 1023.
1023, start approved. Golf Victor Echo.
On Noel.
Thank you, lads.
On fire today, Noel.
Ah, sure, listen. It's the talent oozing from you guys, you see.
Now, if you're not too sure what patronising means, that's it.
That's a definition right there. Yeah.
Alan's learned a lot of big words today, hasn't he?
That's also patronising, right?
Oh,
No, stop.
Sorry, Al.